Good morning, everyone. Let's talk chickens. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. I know I'm kind of sorry, y'all, but I hadn't really made any videos on my channel right now. I had a lot of personal things going on, and I was just not able to make videos like I wanted to. But also, I've been working on my other channel the second time around, and where I go out thrifting, find unique things, and I repurpose those and put them in my booth for selling and resell those or keep them for myself. But if you want to check out that channel, go check it out. I would appreciate it if you like this kind of stuff. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. Really, Gizmo? You had to go over there and pee? Look at those. Aren't they pretty? Our backyard has like a line of daffodils, and they are so pretty. All kinds of different colors. They smell so good too. I'm gonna have to dig a whole bunch of them up and put them to the farm. I tried to dig up someone in the past, but they just their roots everywhere. It's really hard to dig them up. And here's some more over here. These are pretty much done blooming. I got a few still left on here, but look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at these. They're beautiful, beautiful. The squirrels are taunting him. Are they picking on you, Gizmo? Huh? Are they picking on you? Look at those. So pretty. You scared Merlin. Hi, babies. Okay, that's enough. Come on, that's enough. Leave the squirrels alone. We had some heavy winds coming through, and Chansey brought me a baby squirrel, and they had no, absolutely no punctures or nothing. And I think what happened was that it got blown out of the nest, and believe it or not, but Chansey brought me that baby squirrel and to take care of it. He said, "Here, take care of it." And I saw him coming through the window, and I said, "Oh my goodness, he got me some, brought me something else." And I went ahead and tried to meet him, and he saw me come out, and he just dropped that baby squirrel, and right in front of me, and meowed and said, "Here, take care of it." And it's like, what am I supposed to do with the baby squirrel? So, long story short, I took care of it as best I could. And hi Teddy, and took care of it as best I could, and then posted on Facebook. And I mean, it's been a blessing. I found a wonderful home with for the squirrel, and it's been just a blessing because that's raised another squirrel once before, and I'm telling y'all, that squirrel is going to have a good life and not have to worry about cats or anything like that. So that's been really great. But this video is not about the squirrel. But I want to show y'all. Snow is still hanging in here. And she's looking kind of puny, but kind of not the pale colors. And I did everything I can for her. But took her to the vet, got some more medicine for her and everything. And nothing was working. And Nugget, her croppies keep coming back. And I have to here and there still drain it here once in a while, but if you look closely, quit. If you can see too closely, she got a haircut on her butt today. And she had, it was all clogged, I mean, all gooey and nasty, and she's just having a hard time pooping, and so I had to, what are y'all two doing? What are you doing, Bubba? What are you doing, Bubba? What are you doing, Tut Tut? Hey, sweet boy. Somebody's not being jealous, ain't they? Somebody's being jealous. I had to give her a little feather trim because it just keeps getting stuck on her hiney. And you know, when a chicken does not, well, if it can't poop right and it gets stuck on there and it clogs all up, and it actually can cause some health problems. So I you know, I've been pretty much looking after her quite a bit, and she's just not getting any better. So I'm just gonna let her live her life, and I know one day it's gonna come, I'm gonna come out there and she's gonna be laying there. But I just don't want to separate her anymore. And she's just like, okay, I'm not happy, but you know, I'm not well, but I don't want to be, you know, locked in by myself all the time. So I just let her back out and roam. And same thing with Nugget, and kept her separated, and I kept her separated and everything, and made sure she had certain kind of foods. And then she was actually doing pretty good. So I went ahead and let her out too, because they were not happy being locked in. I mean, who would be, you know? So I got some stuff done around the chicken area, and I still got quite a bit of work ahead in front of me. I went ahead and started my garden at the greenhouse, and well, herbs in my greenhouse, and they're doing wonderful. And I'm getting ready to grow, get the other garden beds ready to start my garden for my chickens, because I want to grow my own vegetables and stuff like that, and the greens for my chickens, so I don't have to go out in the store and buy them. So Merlin loves being outside, and Tutty is too, and she's still hanging out with the chickens like she always does. But yeah, Merlin, he's doing great. He's one muscular kitty, I tell you that. Him being a handicapped cat does not slow him down whatsoever. He's pretty happy. And if y'all can see way back there, Gizmo's hunting something down there. So he loves digging for moles and mice and whatever he can find, but he's real good at it. If you don't clean their chickens' hiney in the back when it's all nasty looking, there's a couple options you can do. If the weather permits, you can soak them in some warm Epsom salt water and let them soak, so you can actually, you know, loosen it up gently that way. It just takes a little time. But if you also have them to go outside, you know, it has to make sure the weather is okay for doing this. If it's cold, I would not recommend it. What you fussing for, girl? What, baby? I know. Well, get up there. Go get up there, sweetheart. You're not going to breathe on me, are you? You better not. Got one egg. I'm going to put that one on the bottom here. I've actually been laying the eggs down here, so I'm really happy about that. I'm going to put that down there. The second thing you can do, if the weather is not good, it's just too cold to soak the chicken, is what you can do is actually take a very pointy scissor, but make sure it's sharp, because if it's not sharp, you're going to be yanking on them feathers and it's going to actually hurt the chicken. So you lay the chicken in your lap very gently on the side, and then start trimming the feathers. That's you know, covering that area where the poop's coming out. So make sure you do that. And then when you, in between, when there's really close to the skin, I mean very close to the skin, you're gonna, I take a baby wipe and I start crushing it to break it up, and then I start cleaning that area up with the baby wipe. I know it kind of sounds gross, but if you have chickens, just like the baby chicks when they get pasty bud, I mean it's the same thing. You have to clean their little hiney, because if not, they're going to get sick or they actually can die from you. So I have been thinking about getting some of my baby chicks right now, but I decided to go ahead and wait right now, because Nugget is still not, I don't think she ever will be 100% ever again. So I'm just going to take care of her and just let her live her life and drain her if I needed to. But also Snow, her health is not great. She's once in a while she still lays an egg, believe it or not. But and I kind of feel bad about that because she lays some big eggs. But you know, having chickens doesn't mean you always get eggs all the time, especially when your flock is a little bit older and they quit laying eggs as much, and they're like, you know, every a few days they're going to lay an egg, and you want eggs, so you keep adding more chickens to it. Well, I have done this in the past because I was kind of wanting more eggs, but right now I'm just gonna pause right now, not getting any baby chicks unless one of my girls go broody. I might go ahead and get a couple of them and then put him in this coop right behind me. But you know, I'm just see what's gonna happen with them too. And I got the sickness under control. That got, you know, taken care of that. The lice was taking care of it, and I had any more outbreaks, so that was a relief. And the coccidia is gone. And like I said, my flock comes first before I add any more chicks to this, right now at least. I want to get some more ducks. I'm gonna wait on that too, because I don't want to have the problem that the rooster likes the duck, and you know, it's like, you know, it's just don't want to mess with that kind of natural course of it. Unless I have a male and a female, that's probably be something different. But my luck, I'm probably ending up having 2 male ducks again, like I did last time. Them poor babies. And I went to the store the other day, to the farm store, and I saw the, you know, the ducklings and the geese and all the stuff, and I really miss Speedy and Puff, but I'm not, you know, I'm gonna wait. Nugget, what you doing? Hi, baby girl. You go run away. Whee! There she goes. And Miss Jenny, she's a mess. There's a hog flying around up there. They're all hiding under here. See under here? We're going to eventually take this deck down before we get opportunity, and then we're going to redo all this because we want to sell the house, move to the farm. So this got to go. So all your shade over here and security is going to go away. Yes, it is. What's he doing, Bubba? What's he doing, Bubba? Ladies, what's y'all doing? What's y'all doing, ladies? Oh, chilling out. He's such a handsome boy. He really is. I'm so proud of him. He's doing a wonderful job with the girls, and keeping them safe. And they all start following him now, and he runs to them when they start, you know, getting really loud after laying an egg. He comes running real fast to the girls and checking on them. So he's a good boy, and I'm very proud of him. Yeah, Mama's very proud of you, Chris. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You gonna curl for Mama? You want to talk to me? You gonna go talk? You want to talk? What? Talk to me. Talk to Mama. You gonna talk? No? You just gonna ruffle your feathers? Alright, Bubba. Now he's crowing. After I walked away. So this is just a little update to kind of let you know what's going on here. And again, I apologize for not making any videos, but like I said, personal reasons. And it's just been a little bit emotional, but it's gonna be okay. And if I decide to get any more chicks or even think about getting more ducks, I will definitely let you know. But so take care of your chickens, and even if they have a yucky hiney, you're still gonna have to clean them up and take care of it. And like I said, there's a couple options you can do. Either you can soak them in the hot water again, warm water, or you have to trim it. So, but if not, you're gonna get parasites in them, and we don't want that. So I hope y'all enjoy this update, this video. God bless y'all, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.